Header files, the pre-written code libraries in C that provide useful functions so we don't need to write them from scratch. The purpose of each header. stdio.h is the input and output functions to display messages and read player input. stdlib.h, utilities like rand, srand, and program control functions. ctype.h, character handling for case-insensitive input. String.h, string handling functions to manipulate words and guesses. Time.h provides time functions to seed the random number generator so different words are chosen each run. Without these libraries, basic features like printing text, handling strings, or picking random words wouldn't work.
Void draw stickman int attempts kani nga function kay dili mo return up value and attempts mao'y basihan niya para kabalo siya unsang part sa stickman ang ipakita. Conditional block nag-progress ang drawing. Kung 3 attempts pa wala pa kanat sayo, scaffold ra sa tibok ang makita. Kung 2 attempt nanay ulo makita. Kung 1 attempt lang makita ang body o arm. Pag 0 attempt, complete na gyud ang stickman with legs, meaning pildi na ang player. Pre-if statements, mao niyang gigamit para i-print ang stickman line by line gamit ang ASCII art. Nganong importante, nindot ni nga part sa code kay makita nimo unsaon paggamit sa conditional statement, plus mas lingaw ang game kay makit-an sa player unsa na sila kahapit mapildi kay sigig dugang ang part sa stickman.
Hello everyone, my name is Justin Isaac Ilaborte. I will explain the section of our Hangman code game that handles the main setup, word and hint selection. So first is the int main function. We use srand of time 0 function to seed the random number generator with the current time. This ensures that every time we run the game, a different word is chosen, making the game unpredictable and fun. And the game uses 2 arrays. First is words, that stores 5 possible words for the player to guess, which is kaning computer, apple, school, mountain, o camera. And next is hints, that stores 5 corresponding hints that gives clue each word. Example is kaning computer, kintahay. An electronic device used for processing data. So each hint matches its word by position. So the player gets a clue to help guess the word. So in char play again, we use the variable play again to determine if the player wants to play again after finishing a round. The player enters Y for yes and N for no, and this controls whether the game repeats. Next is do while loop. This is to run the game at least once and allow the player to play again if they want. Here in int index equals rand modulo 5 randomly selects number between 0 and 4, which we use to pick a word and its corresponding hint from the arrays. Next, char word 20 and char word hint 60 are temporary variables to store the selected word and hint for the current round. This ensures that the original arrays remain unchanged. Next is strcopy words at index and strcopy hints index. They copy the selected word and hint into these temporary variables. Next is int attempts equals 3. This sets the number of allowed wrong guesses for the current round. So that's it for our part on the main setup and word selection of the Hangman game. So I hope you guys understand and get a clear idea of how we prepared the game for our player or for the player. I will now pass it to Mr. Municilio, who will explain the gameplay and guessing part of the game. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jack Lawrence P. Merencilio, and I will be the one discussing on this part of our code. So, para makita nimo ang first makita nimo is printf, then na siya hangman kilid na. So, inigran nimo sa code, ang makita nimo sa pinaka-top yun is ang title ng sa mong game na Hangman. Next is ubos na ng printf hangman game is natay printf hint. So kanang %s is mo na ang placeholder so sa among hint. So inigran sa code is ana makita ang hint sa hidden word namo, then nga depende pod ang nimong hint sa unsay napili sa mong randomizer na hidden word na anang inyong i-guess. Now after ana ang ubos sa printf, makita na to ang while loop, then inside sa while loop daghang siya codes na siya for loop pod if else statement. So kaning while parenthesis attempts is greater than 0, ang pasabot ana is mo repeat ang among game as long as ang attempts is greater sa 0. Then under that is draw stickman. So sa among game guys is kara start sa game is na siya forma bitaw sa bitayanan sa stickman. Then depende sa kapila naminusan ng attempts, mausob to o ang forma. If naminusan na isa ka attempt, ang katong bitayanan is na siya magpakita na ulo. Then if maugtangan pa yung kang attempt, sunod na is ang katong bitayanan na siya ay ulo o kamot. Then lastly, third attempt, which is the last life nimo, is mapulma na gid ang stickman na hangman gibitay. So ani balik ta sa draw stickman parenthesis attempts, then ubos na is i-print niya if kapila na ka na attempt, ipakita niya tong bitayanan depende sa kapila na ka na attempt. Then na ubos na character guess mo ni ang array. So printf, enter your guess whole word. So sa among guess na word game is dili siya letter ni mo i-type ang words. So kausaon yun mo isa ra ka word. Then under that is scanf, %s, then guess ana mabot mo na placeholder sa guess kanang gi-input ni player na word. So ana mo butang yung word. So gi-limit na mo sa 20 characters. So mga sa amo ang asa mabutang ang gi-input sa player. So aning for loop na to guys, diri na to makita ang part na i-convert sa ang gi-input ni user is na mga words is i-convert niya tanan to a small letter niya. Ngano for loop amo gamit, this is tungod kay kaning makinato ni int I equals 0 parenthesis I less than strlen parenthesis guess semicolon then I increment plus which means increment. So basically ang buhaton ang line is i-loop niya tanang characters na gi-input ni user which is nakastore aning guess. Nya kanang I is equal to 0 kay ang first letter na gi-input ni player is sa C language is 0 man na, ga-start man na sa 0. So ang A, in example apple, so katong letter A wala to, di siya number 1, which is number 0 to siya. 0 is the first letter, then the second letter is ang number 1. So basically ito. Then kaning strlen guess is i-return niya ang unsay length sa gi-input bitaw na unsay gitas unsa gi-input na letter ni player. So example apple, naman na siya 5 ka character. So ang mahimo na siya o kanina part na 5 siya kakuan characters. Then below dia is aning guess I equals to T lower. So basically ang button anina part sa line is ang katong input ni user kay himuon na to niya anina part niya himuon na niya to tanan o into smaller case. Di na siya mabig. If big letter, ganito siya ang input sa mga words, then mahimo na to siya ang lowercase. So, ang gamit na part sa code is makaprevent siya o kanang wrong na answers tungod kay kiusoban niya kay lahi ang kay capitalize niya ang letter. That is all. Then below ana if strcmp. So ang gamit aning is if else mo siya na statement. Kaya ang gamit aning strcmp then parenthesis guess comma word. Kani mo run siya if ang guess explain sa na unsa ni ang word. So kani ang word guys na magibutang ari ang mga hidden words. So namtoy 5 ka buok hidden words. Mas tayo itong apple, mountain, phone, mga to, i-upload to sila. Nya guess mo ni ang input ni player. So i-check ni strcmp kung pareha sila o characters. Pareha sila length o characters. So if si guess ug si word pareha og length, mo equal siya o pareha sila length, then mo run ni ang code ang kani nasa ubos. Mo run ni ang printf congratulations you guessed the word. Pero if kani bitong guess og word di pareha og length sa character, so ang dili na siya ma-equals og 0, ma-equals na siya og 1. Muna mo result siya o kaning printf wrong guess. Then if ma-wrong guess ka, ang imong attempts decrement. So ang 3 ni mo ka attempts is maminusan, ma-2 na lang tungod anang increment. So that is all for this part of the code. Thank you for listening.